Hey there, what's up? Welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to force turn off or restart your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Serg-Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So the reason you may want to do this is because maybe your screen froze in any certain app and you can get out of it, or maybe you just did a software update and sometimes they do have some glitches, or your storage full and it's not letting you do anything else. So the way to force turn off or restart your iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to be really simple. All you have to do is press volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button for a couple seconds until all the screen goes black, and then you can release it. And that's going to perform the force turn off. So let's do it. Volume up, volume down, and block button. We keep holding until the screen turns off, as you can tell that it just did, and then the Apple logo is going to show up in a couple seconds. We just wait. It shouldn't take more than 1 minute, and here it is. Now we just wait until the phone completely restarts. And there you have it. Your 12 Pro Max has been completely restarted. Okay, so that was it on how to force turn off or restart your iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below on what you think of it. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, I will see you in the next video.